How to see all Facebook logged in devices. Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll demonstrate how to view all the devices logged into your Facebook account. If you want to check the devices where your Facebook account is logged in, here's a quick tutorial to guide you through the process. So first of all, open your Facebook app and then click on your profile menu. After that, click on settings located at the top right corner. Click on password and security and select where you're logged in. This will show you all the devices where your Facebook account is logged in. If you want to remove a device, simply click on it and then click Log Out. Confirm the action and it will log out your Facebook account from that device. If you want to remove all devices at once, click Select All and then click Log Out. Confirm the action again and you're done. This is how you can see all Facebook logged in devices. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.